Screen type. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Resolution. Screen size. Protection. Processor. Chipset. Gaming. Network system. Battery. Fast charging. Back camera. Main video. Selfie camera. Selfie video. Memory card. UFC. RAM. Internal storage. Weight. Water resistance. Headphone jack. Radio. NFC. Fingerprint. Bluetooth. Price estimate. Score.
After seeing the comparison, which one do you choose? Share your reasons in the comments.